Hello and welcome to Kajabi in 5 minutes. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to make a custom email template in Kajabi. Something that looks great and awesome for you so that when you send your emails as broadcasts or when you're creating email sequence emails, you've got something that's ready to go and is going to work really well. So if you didn't know about being able to create your own templates for emails, then this is going to be a key episode for you because it's just so useful. What you do is you go into Kajabi, you go to email marketing, you go into email campaigns, and there's in the top there on the right, a manage templates. And what you can do is you can manage templates, create a new template right from there. But what I suggest you do is you pick a broadcast that you've already used and sent, and you duplicate that so that it's new. And then you go into the editor and you go and you just adjust that email because chances are this broadcast will already have a bunch of your email settings in it. You know, the type of font you like, maybe your social links, a logo or your signature or something like that already in it. And so it will just be easier to start with than using, a blank email to make this template. And again, since this is a broadcast that you've copied or duplicated, it does have an audience attached to it, but you're not going to be sending this email. You're just designing it and using it as your base so that you can build something to save as a template. And some of the things that you can consider while you're making your template are putting, a nice signature on and putting the colors for what you want your button to be, putting your social links in, maybe putting a little divider on, or putting a logo or a graphic up at the top. You can have as many email templates as you want. And so if you send multiple types of emails, you can, an email to, say, your course audience compared to an email to your general list, or if you have typically a more newsletter type, email broadcast, you can design a template for each of those. And that will just save you so much time and work in just rebuilding all of these, aspects into every single email. So you're in the editor right now and you're, making it nice, save it, hit the back button, and you go into that, step number 2 of sending an email broadcast where you've got the subject and preview text and all that baloney. Kind of underneath the preview text bar on the right-hand side, there is a thing that says save as a template. But I think it also says send a test email right there. So you can hit save it as a template, and then you can save it. You can put some notes on there if you want to be like, this is for my newsletter, or this is for members only, things like that. And then it's there. So what happens is next time you come into marketing email campaigns and you see that you're going to send a new email, you hit new email. Pardon me, got a little tickle in my throat there. You hit new email, new campaign. You do a broadcast or an email sequence. You can use your templates for both. Do a broadcast, and then instead of seeing the big list of Kajabi's templates below, you've got your saved templates right at the top of the screen there, and Kajabi's are down farther down. So you can still use those, but you've got your saved templates right there, really easy to access, and then you're just off to the races. So if you ever want to change your templates or edit them or whatnot, instead of going, from the main email dashboard, instead of going to campaign, you can just go manage templates. You see them all. I think you can actually even start an email from that screen, but you can right click or you can click on the dots and you can go to edit the template. And so that is, creating your own Kajabi email templates in a nutshell. And it's certainly a time saver if you're going to be sending emails. So I highly recommend you do that and check it out.